Hi, this is Marty from Photoshop Arthouse. I'm going to show you how to quickly transform photos into the look of wood engravings. This tutorial is part of my Fast and Easy series, in which I show you how to create cool Photoshop effects quickly and easily. For your convenience, I provided this wood texture that you could download, as well as this photo that you could use for this project. Their links are in my video's description or project files. Feel free to use another photo if you like. The first step is to remove all the color from the subject. To do this non-destructively, click the adjustment layer icon and click black and white. We'll convert our black and white image into a smart object so we can continue to edit it non-destructively, as well as allow us to replace our subject with another without having to redo the effects we'll be adding to it. To do this, shift-click the bottom layer to make it active as well, and click this icon to open the flyout list. Click Convert to Smart Object. If your Remove tool isn't active, press V on your keyboard. Drag it onto the tab of the wood base, and without releasing your mouse or pen, drag it down onto the image and release it. To resize and reposition it, press Ctrl or Command T to open the Transform tool. Go to any anchor point and drag it out or in. Then drag it into position. To accept it, press Enter or Return. Go to Filter, Stylize, and Emboss. Make the angle minus 135 degrees, the height 5 pixels, and the amount 500%. Change the blend mode to soft light. Make a copy of the layer by pressing Ctrl or Command J. Go to Filter, Blur, and Gaussian Blur. Make the radius 3 pixels. This is Marty from Photoshop Arthouse. Thanks for watching. And remember, be safe and be kind. See you next time.